Welcome to Education Lifeline. Today we'll be graphing slope on a coordinate plane. Now, if you haven't watched our previous videos on slope, they will be linked in the description below as well as on the top right hand corner of your screen. Please check those videos out before watching this one. So when we think about slope, we think of rise over run. And rise is how far up or down something goes. And run is how far left or right something goes. Now, the more up or right you go, the more positive the values are going to be. And the more down or left you go, the more negative. So we can make 4 combinations out of these. We can go up and right to create a positive line, like this, since both up and right are positive motions. We could go up and left to get a negative line, since up is a positive motion and left is a negative motion, and negative and a positive create a negative. Or we can go down and right to create a negative line. And last but not least, we could go down and left to create a positive line, like this. And since left and down are both negative motions, a negative and a negative create a positive line. So, for example, if we have a slope of 2/3, we can move in 2 ways. We can go up and right, or we can go down 2 and left 3. Because down 2 and left 3 is -2 over -3, which is the same thing as 2 over 3. So if we want to graph this, well, we can start at the origin and try to graph a line. So we can go up 2 and right 3 and keep moving in that direction. Or we can go down 2 and left 3 and continue moving in this direction. And once we connect the points, we end up with a line that has a slope of 2/3. Now, if we have a slope of -4, first of all, we can rewrite this as 4 over 1, which is the same thing. And since we have a negative slope, we can either go up 4 and left 1, or we can go down 4 and right 1. So let's start at the origin again. And we could move up 4 and left 1. If it helps, you can continue drawing lines like this, or you can just plot the points. Now we could also go down 4 and right 1 and continue in that direction. And once we connect the points here, we get a line that has a slope of -4. And that's it for graphing slope on a coordinate plane. If this video was helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to Education Lifeline. Be sure to check out our previous videos and check the description below for other helpful resources. Thanks for watching.